In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate content with evyAI side panel. This includes messages, posts, comments, and much more. Let's dig in. First thing you do is you go to evyAI.com, you sign up for an account, you install the side panel. Once the side panel is installed, you open it up. You're going to see a little button on bottom, allow cookies, go for it. Then you're going to see you're on the AI Writer tab. There are 3 tabs: Generate, Profiles, and Templates. The AI Writer tab is where you write the content. You click on Show All Profile, All Filters, and you're going to see lots of goals. You can select your goal. For example, maybe you want to provide resources. You select your tone. For example, maybe you want a friendly tone. And then you select your persona. The persona is the most important part. If you don't leave any persona in, the AI doesn't know who you are and doesn't know what you want to do. So you can enter a prompt where the prompt goes, on the bottom, enter a prompt, or you can pre-design the writer with a persona. For example, I did one called the posting template persona. So all I have to do down here is write what type of post I want, and it'll automatically format that post in a specific way. For example, I'm going to say, create a post about the benefits of networking with engaged LinkedIn users on this amazing platform. Most people are not engaged on LinkedIn, but if you find the most engaged LinkedIn users and you network with them, they'll want to comment on your posts. Now I hit generate. It's going to use this particular template, this persona, this tone, and this goal, and it'll generate a post for me. Now the post sometimes will take 5 seconds, sometimes it'll take 10 seconds, depending on the model that you're using. We have many GPT models you can select from: GPT-4 Mini, GPT-4o, and we're going to constantly add and change the models as there's new models available. For pro users, we have Claude, Gemini, and Grok as well. You can also generate in any language. You can go down here and see all the different languages that we have available. And if you like what you see here, you can simply copy it, or you can go to any website like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and press the insert button when you're highlighted inside that platform. If you're on LinkedIn, you just go to the post place, click inside here, and then just press the insert button, and the post will automatically get inserted right here. Voila. Now you're ready to post. All you got to do is click that post button, and you're ready to go. Look how this is formatted so nicely. So how do you get the post to get formatted this nicely? Well, the key is the persona. I'm going to click login so we can see my personas. I'm going to click personas, and I'm going to click edit on the posting template. If you want to see a new persona, add a new persona, you just click on add persona, and you can add your prompt here where it says background and history. Remember to decide if you're a person or a company, and if your persona's name, to name it as to what your persona is. So I named this persona posting template. I click edit, and you can see I called it posting template. I wrote I'm a person. I put a whimsical tone, industry, keywords, and then I put background and history. Act as Joe Applebaum, CEO of evyAI. I gave it some little information about myself. Then I gave it the LinkedIn post structure. In our community, if you click on community here, and you search persona library, you're going to see a lot of library of personas, lots of different personas that you can't even imagine how many personas we have available. So depending on what you want to do on LinkedIn, you're going to have many personas. And as you can see, there's formatting elements, words to avoid, sample template, and you can have up to 2,000 characters in your persona. Now, I also created a persona for commenting as well. So if you check this out, you're going to see it says LinkedIn Comment Engage. I press edit, and you're going to see you're a LinkedIn commenter. Leave a comment based on this. And then I added a little bit about myself. Follow the structure, quality standards, adapt by tone, avoid, create comments that demonstrate thoughtful engagement. So let's see how this looks. So I see Carlos posted here. I'm going to go ahead and click the More button. I'm going to select his entire post. And then what I can do is I can right-click here, and I can hit Send to evyAI sidebar. That sends it directly to the sidebar. Now, if something doesn't work, you just hit that Reset button on the top. You right-click, you hit Send to sidebar, and it goes right into the sidebar here. Now what you can do is you can select the right comment, just like that, and then you hit Generate, and it's going to generate a comment for this particular post. Now keep in mind that I selected his first and last name, his title, and all the information on the post. If you only want to write a comment related to this part of the post, all you got to do is send this part of the post to the side panel. You can also copy and paste it in. You can also drag it in. So look what I wrote there. I love how you set yourself up for success. Now I'm going to click inside the comment box and I'm going to press insert. Voila, I inserted the comment. Now all I got to do is hit. evyAI will work on any platform. So if you want to generate comments, messages, posts, you want to generate blogs, articles, newsletters, summaries, anything that you want to generate, you can use our AI writer to generate it. Go to evyai.com, click on sign up for free, download our Chrome extension, and get started today. Boom.